Powerful rotating machines scrub away dirt. Automatic peelers remove the skin in just seconds.
The slices are washed to remove excess starch, then dried with high-pressure air for the perfect crisp. Our advanced AI cameras inspect every single chip, removing broken or overcooked pieces, ensuring only the perfect ones make it. The finished chips are automatically weighed, sealed in nitrogen-filled bags to stay fresh, and packed into boxes for worldwide shipping.